Opposition candidate Venancio Mondlane just posted what he calls "my testament" on his Facebook page ahead of the beginning of Chapo V8 protest that will probably start on Monday, depending what Constitutional Council will announce. Salamina mashoko anobuda togwa naVenancio Mondlane. Vanhu vazvinonzwa akati revolution iri kuuya here munyika yeMozambique. Tiona kuti Venancio Mondlane aiwa afunga kuita zvinorova. Anodwa subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tichipinda paindo pake panodamirwa pachinzi by Venancio Mondlane. If there are to be my last words, I ask all Mozambican people, millions of families directly or indirectly affected by today's police violence, by the state terrorism of nearly 50 years, to take up the torch and move forward with all their might and speed towards the crown and the trophy freedom. I lost 2 consecutive terms in the Assembly of Republic. I lost a job that provided me with the fortunate conditions. I lost a lifetime's savings in blocked bank accounts. I live like a lamb, deaf and mute, helplessly led to the slaughterhouse. I live crossing borders in constant and permanent danger with an international warrant for my arrest hanging over my head. Wherever I go, I try to be more hidden than a shadow, more elusive than the invisible man. Everything I've lost in the end is theatrical, is comedy. If we remember the fateful day of October 19th of Resistance Street, where 25 projectiles flew at the speed of light and embedded themselves in the body of the one known as the power lawyer Ovino Diaz, whose most well-known legacy is the motivational phrase for the protesters, "For truth, we go to the end." I know that everything I'm writing here, the powerful of his words, world might interpret as signing my own death warrant. However, one of the most well-known verses of the Bible is this: "You will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." Ndomashoko anoita pana opposition Venancio Mondlane atiri kuona kuti aiwa anounganidza vanhu vese, aiwa vese vane maissues kana kuti vakabatiwa zvakashata nethe ruling party Frelimo. Toona panapa oyanyora chiti vakomana, this Chapo V8 yatakuda kutanga, let us be brave. Vakomana ngatipindei tiparadze vakomana vethe ruling avo havabve, tonyatsoratidza kuti aiwa isusu hatisi kutomboda nezvenyu. Mashoko anoita panapa naVenancio Mondlane. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutikudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakume section medu, sana subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.